Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make quotes video on Capcut for Instagram Reel. Okay, here I have opened my Capcut application on my phone, and I'm going to add a video to my Capcut project to be the background of the quotes video. And since I don't have any footage to edit, I'm going to use the Capcut stock video. So we can tap on new project and click on stock videos right here, and I'm going to select the scenery category. Okay, I'm going to select this video. I think this video will be suitable for the quotes video. And just wait for a moment. Okay, and we can click on add. Okay, and for the Instagram reel, make sure that you choose the right aspect ratio. You can click on aspect ratio and you have to choose this one, 9:16 ratio. This is the suitable ratio for the Instagram reel. And click on this checkmark button. And now let's add the quotes for our video. I'm just going to add follow your dream. Okay, and I'm going to change the font as well. Tap on the font option, and I'm going to use this font. Okay. Alright, and to make our quotes video more captivating, we have to add music to our video. Click on the audio and click on sounds, and I'm going to select a music from Capcut. I'm going to select healing category. And wait guys, I'm afraid of the copyright, so I'm going to make it muted. And for example, I'm going to select this music. We can download the music and tap on this plus button to add the music to our video. Okay, and now it's done, and this is the quotes video. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a quotes video on Capcut for Instagram Reel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.